Hello, this is Tommy. Welcome to Chatomics. Today I'm going to show you how can use ChatGPT to write R code for you. So you should go to chat.openai.com and register an account. So I have prepared several prompts for you. Let's see the first one. Okay, in this one, how to set up figure output size globally in an R Markdown file. Let's see the answer from ChatGPT. Okay, so it tells you, okay, in R code chunk, you can use the need of function called ops_chunk to set up the global figure size here. And also nicely actually explain how to use it. Let's use the next one. This is actually one of the most frequent thing that I Googled, how to rotate x-axis labels in a ggplot2. Okay. So it tells you use the theme function here and specify, use this element_text function and specify the angle equals 45 degree to rotate the x label 45 degree. So that's very nice. Actually, usually I do Google how to rotate x-axis labels in R. And usually the first hit is this Stack Overflow post, and you see here it is actually visited for 1.4 million times, and I probably contribute a couple of hundred as well. So and you see it give you the same answer using the element_ function and specify the angle to 90 degree or 45 degree. And in fact, after ChatGPT was released, I heard that the traffic to Stack Overflow went down 17%. That's quite dramatic. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT to do a little bit more complicated thing. So in this spatial transcriptome analysis, so you usually have, for each cell, you have the X and Y coordinates for the location of each cell. And you want to find each cell the nearest neighbor within a radius of R of, for example, 50 micron. And how do you do that? So you can ask ChatGPT. So here, you can see I have a data frame of 2 columns, X and Y, denoting the coordinates of a 2D space. So act as an experienced R programmer. Write R code to find the nearest neighbors for each row of the data point. Okay. So let's see what ChatGPT gives you. Okay. It tells you, okay, you can use this KNN function, right? And to find the k nearest neighbor. However, we want actually specify the radius of R and find the nearest neighbor within that radius, not necessarily the k nearest neighbor. So we can change the prompt a little bit. And adding, okay, finding nearest neighbors for each row of the data point within a radius R. So you add more context for ChatGPT. So let's see how ChatGPT answers you. Okay, here it tells you you can use the fn package. And you can actually specify the radius equals to R here. Okay, this is very nice. So actually I tried ChatGPT for the same problem some time ago. And it actually gave me the answer using the dbScan package and use the frnn function and specify the radius to find the nearest neighbors within a radius of R. So showing here, for example, for this cell, I want to find the nearest cells within 50 micron, for example. Then those black dots the cells within this radius. So don't worry, I will actually put this link in the description of this video so you can check this blog post later. So I hope I showed you how you can actually leverage ChatGPT to help you write better R code. And the key really is to ask the right question, give enough context for ChatGPT. Now, of course, you always need to actually double check the code that ChatGPT gives you. I think that's it for today. Happy learning. See you next time.